Hi kids, today we want to talk about grammar. I really like to write, so I need to have good grammar. Let's begin. Alright kids, let's study the simple present. Okay kids, today we are doing homework N. Homework N has the W question, how. When you answer how, you can use an adverb to say how a verb, how an action was done. Let's compare adjectives and adverbs. A. Adjectives describe nouns. Remember what a noun is. A noun is a person, animal, thing, or place. Sentence structure number 1. Subject plus be verb plus adjective. There's the adjective. The boy is tall. Tall is an adjective. Remember number 2. Adjective plus a noun. The tall boy studies English. The adjective stands in front of the noun. B. Adjectives can compare. For example, Tom is taller than Scott. Taller compares Tom and Scott. C. Adjectives are superlatives. For example, Sue is the cutest girl in the class. Cutest is a superlative. Those are adjectives. Very easy to remember. Adjectives describe nouns. Very easy. What about adverbs? They're different. All right. Here we have our adjectives and adverbs, and now we're going to be talking about the adverb. Well, first of all, how do you make an adverb? How do you make an adverb? Well, an adverb is an adjective plus ly. That equals an adverb. B. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, number 1, subject plus verb plus adverb. The boy runs quickly. Quickly describes how the boy runs. The boy runs quickly. An adverb can describe an adjective. The boy is too smart. Too describes the adjective smart. It's telling us how smart he is. He's too smart. An adverb can describe an adverb. The boy runs very slowly. Very is the adverb, and it is telling you how slowly the boy runs. Adverbs can also compare. Tom runs more slowly than Scott does. More slowly describes how Tom runs compared to Scott. Adverbs are superlatives. Sue dances the most beautifully of all. The most beautifully describes how Sue dances compared to everyone. All right, so just remember that adverbs are made by adding an ly to an adjective. Adjective plus ly equals adverb. Adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs describe adjectives. Adverbs describe other adverbs. In today's homework N, we have these adjectives and adverbs. Let's take a look at these. Number 1, adjective, fast. Adverb, fast. This is an irregular adverb. The adjective and the adverb are the same. 2, adjective, deep. Adverb, deeply. 3, adjective, slow. Adverb, slowly. 4, adjective easy. Adverb easily. When there is a Y at the end of an adjective, we take the Y out, we add an I and an ly. Adjective easy, adverb easily. Number 5, adjective quick, adverb quickly. Number 6, adjective careful, adverb carefully. Look at here. There's an L here. We don't care. We're still going to add ly. Adjective careful, adverb carefully. 7, adjective beautiful, adverb beautifully. Number 8, adjective diligent, adverb diligently. 9, adjective cheerful, adverb cheerfully. Number 10, adjective hard, adverb hard. This is another irregular adverb. The adjective and the adverb are the same. Okay, let's look at the sentence pattern for homework N. We have how plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus person plus place plus time. So let's color that. All right. Subject. Number 1, subject. Mr. and Mrs. Lee's mother. Mother is the noun. That's the key. So it's she. Verb, to write. Homework, one's homework. Remember that homework is a non-count noun. Homework is a non-count noun. That means no plural. All right, just homework, no homeworks. Person, with you, answer with us. Place, at one's desk. That's one person's desk. At one's desk. Many people's desks. Adverb, fast. Time, every Wednesday. How does Mr. and Mrs. Lee's mother? Remember, that's one mother, one woman, she. So we use does. Don't be fooled, Mr. and Mrs. Lee. Say, oh, there's two people. No, this is just describing whose mother this is. How does Mr. and Mrs. Lee's mother write her homework with you at her desk every Wednesday? Okay? She writes, all right, we have does there, so we're going to need a S. She writes her homework fast. There is the adverb, okay? The adverb, fast, is standing behind the object. Subject, verb, object, adverb. Subject plus verb plus object plus adverb. She writes her homework fast with us at our desks every Wednesday. Now there's us here, so it changes to our, and there are our desks. Now, number 1, the question, we could have written this. How does Mr. and Mrs. Lee's mother write her homework with you? So there's you and mother. There's you and mother, so 2 or more, including you. We could have written at your desks. At your desks. Because there's you. Either way is okay. All right? It's very confusing when we use a place with the sentence. It depends on what you're thinking. There is no right answer. How does Mr. and Mrs. Lee's mother write her homework with you at your desk every Wednesday? She writes her homework fast with us at our desk every Wednesday. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, our Father. Father is important. This our, this possessive, not important. Answer he. Verb, to take, okay? To take. How does our Father take? Let's use naps. Naps. How does our Father take naps with Mr. T's dudes in the library every Thursday? Remember, deeply is the answer. So once again, how does our Father take naps with Mr. T's dudes in the library every Thursday? Answer, he takes naps deeply with them in the library every Thursday. Again, he takes naps deeply with them in the library every Thursday. All right, let's look at number 3. Number 3. Okay. Subject, their AI robot. Again, what's important is AI robot because that's one robot, it. Verb, to read. Object, a storybook, storybooks. Let's color storybooks. All right. With me, with you. Place in somebody's reading circle. Adverb, slowly. That's the answer. That's the answer. Every Friday. Every Friday. Okay. Let's do this question together because of this, with me, with you. That's very tricky. So let's do this question together. All right. Okay, so I've written the answer. How does the AI robot read storybooks with me in our reading circle every Friday? So here I used our because it's me and the AI robot. So the AI robot and I, both of us, so our reading circle every Friday. Remember, the answer is slowly. It reads storybooks. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Look at that, I wrote deeply. That's a mistake. It's okay. Making mistakes is not a problem. What you need to do is find, or we say catch your mistakes and correct them. That's what's important. Finding mistakes and correcting them. It reads storybooks slowly with you in your reading circle every Friday. Okay, so look at, we have a subject, verb, object, adverb. Again, we have a subject plus a verb plus an object plus adverb. All right, number 4 is easy. Let's do it together. Go. Subject, you and Miss Lee. We. Verb, to eat. Object, breakfast. Person, with the guys. Gal, with her. Many guys, one girl. Place, at the breakfast station. Adverb, easily. Time, every Saturday. Remember, easily is the answer. Is the answer. All right, it's very easy. Let's begin. You and Miss Lee, 2 people. How do you and Miss Lee eat breakfast with the guys, gal at the breakfast station every Saturday? How do you and Miss Lee eat breakfast with the guys, gal at the breakfast station every Saturday? We eat breakfast easily with her at the breakfast station every Saturday. We eat breakfast easily with her at the breakfast station every Saturday. Remember, subject plus verb plus object plus adverb. All right. Number 5. Ready? Subject, Mrs. Huang and I, 2 people, you. Verb, to brush. Object, one's teeth. Person, with Miss Leeds, dude, 1 man, dude. With him. Place, in the bathroom. Adverb, quickly. Time, every Sunday. Okay, remember the answer is the adverb. Quickly, that's the answer. Let's do this one together. Ready? How do Mrs. Huang and I brush our, see? Mrs. Huang and I, so our, the Q is our. Again, how do Mrs. Huang and I brush our teeth with Miss Leeds' dude in the bathroom every Sunday? How do Mrs. Huang and I brush our teeth with Miss Leeds' dude in the bathroom every Sunday? Answer. You brush. Okay, we need to change that. The answer is you. Here's you. So the answer is your. You brush your teeth quickly with him in the bathroom every Sunday. You brush your teeth quickly with him in the bathroom every Sunday. All right, number 6. You, we, subject, you, we. Verb, to study. Object, math. Person, with Mr. Tom's mate. One friend, one mate, one friend. With him. Place, at somebody's after school class. Adverb, carefully. That's the answer. Carefully is the answer. Time, every Monday. All right. Ready? You. How do you study math with Mr. Tom's mate at your after-school class every Monday? Again, how do you study math with Mr. Tom's mate at your after-school class every Monday? So this is your, the Q, your, because it's you and Mr. Tom's mate. You and the mate is still both of you, says your. Answer. We study math carefully with him at our after-school class. Now the answer, we have to change that. Our. Because here we have we. Again, we study math carefully with him at our after-school class every Monday. Again, we study math carefully with him at our after-school class every Monday. Number 7. Okay? Subject, we. Answer, you. Verb, to paint. Object, a picture. Pictures, well, we want to use this because there's we, many people. Person, with Ms. Lee's daughter. One girl. With Ms. Lee's daughter. Answer, with her. In somebody's social studies class. Adverb, beautifully. That's the answer. Beautifully is the answer. Time, every Tuesday. All right, let's ask the question. How do we paint pictures with Ms. Lee's daughter in our social studies class? There's our because we, so this is going to be our because it's we and the daughter. We and the daughter. All right, so our. Again, we paint, how do we paint pictures with Ms. Lee's daughter in our social studies class every Tuesday? Again, how do we paint pictures with Ms. Lee's daughter in our social studies class every Tuesday? You paint pictures beautifully with her in your, okay, so the answer, we're going to use your social studies class every Tuesday. Again, you paint pictures beautifully with her in your social studies class every Tuesday. All right. Number 8. Number 8. All right. Subject, the guys. Answer, they. Verb, to talk about something. That something is schoolwork. Remember, schoolwork is a non-count noun. There's no S here. Person, with me, with you. Place, in study hall. Adverb, diligently. There's the answer. Time, every weekend. All right, now let's pretend me is the teacher. The teacher is me. If the teacher is me, then this is their schoolwork. The guys, their schoolwork. Let's first do that. Me is the teacher. All right. How do the guys talk about their schoolwork with me in study hall every weekend? Again, I am the teacher. Me, that's the teacher. So this is their homework. How do the guys talk about their schoolwork with me in study hall every weekend? Answer, they talk about their schoolwork, because it's theirs. I'm the teacher. Their schoolwork. The guys, they talk about their schoolwork diligently with you in study hall every weekend. Again, this me is the teacher, so they talk about their schoolwork they talk about their schoolwork diligently with you in study hall every weekend. Now let's change this. This me, I'm a classmate. Here's the guys, I'm a classmate. So this is our schoolwork. Remember, now we're doing another one. This me, I'm a classmate. So, how do the guys talk about our schoolwork with me in study hall every weekend. Answer. Remember me, I'm a classmate. They talk about your schoolwork diligently with you in study hall every weekend. So it is your, because you and the guys. So your. Again, I am a classmate. So how do the guys talk about our schoolwork with me in study hall every weekend? They talk about your schoolwork diligently with you in study hall every weekend. Right? That's very confusing. I want you to write down that you, the me, that's a teacher. That's easier. Okay? Very difficult. Very confusing. Because we don't know who me is. All right. Number 9. Subject, I, you. Verb, to have. Object, lunch. Person, with somebody's teammates. With them. Place, in the cafeteria. Adverb, cheerfully. There's the answer. Cheerfully is the answer. Time, every weekday. All right, question. How do I have lunch with my teammates in the cafeteria every weekday? So, my. Again, how do I have lunch with my teammates in the cafeteria every weekday? You have lunch cheerfully with them in the cafeteria every weekend. You have lunch cheerfully with them in the cafeteria every weekday. All right, number 10. Subject, you, I. Verb, to clean up. Object, one's mess, one's messes. I think we should do this one. One's messes. That makes more sense. It's a big mess. All right, we are going to use this one. Person, with somebody's classmates. Answer, with them. Place, in the playroom. Adverb, hard. That's the answer. Time, every weeknight. All right. How do you clean up your messes with your classmates in the playroom every weekend? How do you clean up your messes with your classmates in the playroom every weeknight? I clean up our messes hard with them in the playroom every weeknight. I clean up our messes, because it's classmates and I, so our messes. All right, again, I clean up our messes hard with them in the playroom every weekend. Every weeknight. Again, one more time. This is a very confusing one. All right. How do you clean up your messes with your classmates in the playroom every weeknight? I clean up our messes hard with them in the playroom every weeknight. All right. Sometimes those possessive pronouns are very difficult. All right. Depends on how you see the question. Okay, very good. Do your homework. Okay, kids. Thank you for watching this video. Now I need you to do a big favor for me. I want you to like this video. And I want you to leave a comment for me. I want you to write, "Thank you, Mr. Radisha," and then leave your English name. Really appreciate it. Thanks.